Good morning, students. Our today's topic in the subject of Pure Mathematics 1 in integration, today's topic is volume of solids of a revolution. So again, some techniques will be applied in this topic. So concentrate yourself. The concept is rotation about the x-axis of the region enclosed by the curves, the x-axis and the lines parallel to the y-axis will be given by v is equal to pi y squared dx, limit is from a to b, and because y will be equal to f of x, so that's why f of x will be replaced by y, rest of the things will be remain same. So look now, pi limit is from a to b, f of x square in place of y square d of x. So this will be the concept when we will find the volume of the solid of the revolution about the x-axis. So look now, here is a question that will make your concepts more clear. Find the volume of the solid of revolution obtained by rotating the region bounded by the curve y is equal to x square plus 1 between the lines x is equal to 0, x is equal to 3 and the x-axis through 360 degree about the x-axis. So look now, the volume will be obtained by pi, limit is from 0 to 3 and y square dx. So in next step we are going to apply the values. 0 to 3 is the limit, y is equal to x square plus 1, so y square will be x square plus 1 whole square. So take the square of this thing, so that will make 0 to 3, so a plus b whole square formula will be applied, that will make x4 plus 1 plus 2x square. So now we have opened the formula. Now we will integrate it, that will make x5 over 5 plus x plus 2x cube over 3 and limit is from 0 to 3 and this pi sign is still there. So at this step we will apply the limit now. So pi is still there, so upper limit will be applied. So 3 raised to the power 5, so 3 raised to the power 5 is 243 over 5 plus 3 plus 27 twos are 54 over 3. So this is upper limit applied, and when we will apply the lower limit, that is 0, so every factor will be 0. So this is the thing which is obtained. So moving further, solve it now. So 15 is the LCM, this pi is still here, so 5 3s are 243, 3s are is 729, 15 3s are 45 and here will be 3 5s are 554s are 270. So solving it now, 270 plus 45 plus 729, 1044 over 15 pi is the volume, so that's why it will be in cubic unit. So this is the answer. The next category in the volume of the solids of revolution is rotation about the y-axis of the region enclosed by the curve, the y-axis and the lines parallel to x-axis will be given by now volume is equal to pi, limit is from a to b, x square dx now, because the requirement is now about the y-axis, and x will be equal to f inverse x, so that's why f inverse x square dx. So this is the thing which is ignorable. So look now, here is a question that will make your concepts more clear. So the question is, find the volume of the solid of the revolution obtained by rotating the region bounded by the curve. And here is the curve between the lines y is equal to 1 and y is equal to 10 and the y-axis through 360 degree about the y-axis. So look now, solution is volume will be equal to, limit is from 1 to 10. So it will be x square dy. So this will be the formula that will be put into the requirement. So look now, first we will find x square from this equation. So this is the rough work. So y is equal to, y minus 1 will be equal to 9x square, and from here y minus 1 over 9 will be equal to x square. So this is the value which we will put into the formula. So y minus 1 over 9 dy, and limit is from 1 to 10. So this 9 will come out, so pi by 9, and here is the factor, that is y minus 1, which is going to be integrated. So y is y square over 2, and minus 1 will be y, and limit is from 1 to 10. Now this limit will be applied like upper limit minus lower limit. So when upper limit will be applied, it will become 100 over 2 minus 10 minus lower limit. So 1 by 2 minus 1. Okay, from here to 50s are, and 50 minus 10 is 40. So pi by 9 is 40 minus, and this will be minus 1 by 2, so it will become plus 1 by 2. So it will become 80 plus 1, 81 by 2. And 9 nines are 81. So the answer will be 9 pi by 2. And because this is the volume, it will be in cubic units. So this is the answer. Okay, the next category which we are going to read in the topic of volume of solid of the revolution is, when find the volume formed when the region enclosed by two curves is rotated about one of the axes. And the first category in this also will be volume of enclosed by the curves y1 is equal to f1x and y2 is equal to f2x and rotated through 360 degree about the x-axis is given by. So when rotated about the x-axis, the volume will be y1 square minus y2 square dx, and limit will be there and pi will be here. So the thing to be noted, to be remembered is, always subtract the curve which is below from the curve which is above. So from here, if you can see the shaded area, this is the curve which is above and this is below. So this point you have to be remembered. And the next thing is, if the curves are rotated through 360 about the y-axis, so then here will come x1 square minus x2 square. So x1 and x2 are actually will be two curves. So but again, the point to be noted is, subtract the curve which is below from the curve which is above. So look now, here is a question now that will make your concepts more clear. The points A and B with the coordinates 2, 10 and 5, 4 lie on the curve. So here are 2 points. And from here we can see, because this is a handmade figure, students, but I have mentioned the points. So A point will be 2, 10, and B point will be 5, 4. So these are the points. So look now, 2, 10, and B is 5, 4. So these are the points. So now it is given that points A and B with coordinates 2, 10, and 5, 4 lie on the curve. Find the equation of the line AB. So first thing that is required is find the equation of the line AB. So first we will find the gradient. Formula will be y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. From here, this is x1 y1, this is x2 y2. So 4 minus 10 over 5 minus 2. And from here you can see minus 6 by 3, and the gradient is minus 2. So take any one point which is simple. So this is the point which is I'm taking, and the formula of the equation will be y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So putting this point and this gradient into this formula, so y minus y1 is 10 and m is minus 2 into x minus, here is x 2. So from here minus 2x plus 4, this minus 10 will go to the right side, it will be plus 10, and here we have y. So y is equal to minus 2x plus 14. So this is the equation of the line now. Okay, in this second part, it is required that the volume obtained when the shaded region is rotated through 4 right angles. So 4 right angles are actually equal to 360 degree, because one right angle is 90 degrees. So 4 right angles will be 360 degree. So 4 right angles about the x-axis. So second part, volume will be equal to pi, and about the x-axis in the second part, so limit will be from 2 to 5, and upper curve minus lower curve. So the line which is above, that is minus 2x plus 14. So minus 2x plus 14 minus the lower curve, and the lower curve is 20 by x. And here is dx. And here will be squares, because here will be squares. Okay. Okay, first we will open the square by applying the a plus b whole square formula, or a minus b whole square formula can also be applied. So look now, 14 square. So this pi and this sign of integration will still be there, because we are just simplifying the question first. So 14 square will be 196 minus 4x square. 14 fours are 56 minus 56x, and this will be minus 400 over x square. So first we have opened the brackets, and now we will integrate it. So it will be 196x. So pi is still there. So 196x minus 4x cube over 3. This will be minus 56x square. Okay, this will be plus. Okay, minus 56x square over 2. And it will be x raised to power minus 2 plus 1 over, okay, minus 400 over x. So this is the integration, and here is the limit, that is 2 to 5. Now we are going to apply the limit. So apply the limit direct. So phi is here. In first bracket, 196 into 5, 980 plus 5 cube, 125, 125 into 4, 500 over 3. Now here 5 fives are 25, 25 into 56, that is 1400, 1400 over 2. Now 5 will be applied here, minus 400 over 5, 80, okay, minus, now 2 will be applied, so 196 into 2, 392, okay, 2 will be applied here, 8 into 4, 8 fours are 32 over 3, so 8 fours are 32 over 3 plus 32 over 3, 4 into 56, 4, so 2, 56 into 2, 112, and here will be minus 200. So limits applied. So from here 36 pi cubic unit is the answer. Okay, now the third part, the volume obtained when the shaded region is rotated through 4 right angles about the y-axis. So 4 right angles, that is equal to 360 degree, and about y-axis. So for y-axis we require x, so that will be equal to, x is equal to 14 minus y over 2. So this is the equation of the straight line. So now third part, required volume will be equal to, now limit is from 4 to 10. So upper, that is 14 minus y over 2 whole square, minus lower, that is 20, that will be equal to 20 over y whole square, and dy. Step, first we will integrate it. So volume is equal to, here will be pi also, so pi into 14 minus y over 2 whole cube, and here will be minus sign as well, and here will be minus 400 over y. So this is integrated now, still limit is there, that is 4 to 10. Okay, the rest of the question is very much easy now. Apply the limit, that will be upper limit minus lower limit. So you will get the answer 18 pi. So solve the question, apply the limit by yourself, and check the answer. This will be 18 pi. So this was the question, students. So practice it a lot because it's a technical topic. A lot of concepts and formulas are used. So understand them and learn them. Thank you so much.